Hi, thank you so much for taking this time out to watch my video. My name is Tisha. I came in contact with your associate the other day and just mentioned sending a custom video in regards to some tips for increasing online presence, traffic to your website, and more business leads. I found your company by doing research on plumbers and HVAC in your area. So I just want to go over just some quick tips with you. So first, we're going to be talking about today will be content, then citations and backlinks. So content is anything that can be found within on your web page. So any words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and any videos. Now, in order to rank on Google, what they're looking for is at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. So we want to increase that. Now, by increasing your content, you are actually able to include some keywords. Now, keywords are used by a customer. They put that in the search engine and they're looking for a particular service or a certain type of company. So the more keywords you use, the more traffic you will receive or people finding your website. The next would be citations. So citations is anywhere your website can be found online. So your business name, address, phone number. More citations you have, then the more people will find your website. The next we have here would be the map pack. Now it's really important to be listed in the map pack. Generally, when people Google for a certain service or business, then they will call the first companies that they're seeing. So that's really good that actually you are showing up here. Now, I was looking at the organic search. Now, with the organic search, even though you are here in the map pack, I found this other company, which I thought was yours at first, but this is discount plumbing 24 hour. So I went into it just to make sure. So this is actually a different company. So that means that someone would see your company listed here, but may think that this is your company right here. So it's just important that we increase your rankings just to make sure that you're going to be appearing here on this first page as well. Okay, and so again, the first company is going to be Discount Plumbing 24 Hours as your competition, and then the next is going to be Lavati Incorporated. I wasn't able to find you in the actual rankings, but I did find you here on page number 8, listed on a directory. On this business directory, looks like this may be a local business directory. So I did find your company here. So we're going to go ahead and look at a tool that we use called Ahrefs. Ahrefs will show how your website is doing. So I'm not showing that you have any backlinks. Now, backlinks are links on a website that lead back to your website. It does generate more traffic. So a backlink coming from a restaurant, for example, versus coming from a hardware store may bring in a different amount of traffic. So it's always important that you have some good quality backlinks. So in your case, since you don't have any backlinks, we would look at your competitors' backlinks and then build some for you. That way you can get more traffic to your website. I'm only showing here one organic keyword, and again, not showing any traffic, or it's not showing me any revenue. Now, I'm not sure if because your website is new, that could be one of the issues, or just not appearing there in the rankings. The organic keyword that's being used to find you is actually just your company name. The next will be the Lavati Incorporated. So I'm showing that they have 309 backlinks using 89 keywords. They are getting about 98 people come to their website monthly and generating about 373 based on that traffic. Their keywords that they're currently utilizing. So again, their company names: HVAC Stockton, air conditioning Stockton, heating and air Stockton. Okay, so these are just some of the examples. Again, we can always use some of the keywords that they're currently using. as well for your website. The next would be the discount plumbing 24-hour. So they have a little bit over 2,000 backlinks. They're utilizing 471 keywords, bringing in about 516 people to their website monthly and generating about $7,000 in revenue. And then these are some of the keywords that they're using. Emergency gas plumber near me, drain plumber, 24-hour septic service. Okay, so this gives you an idea of how they're generating customers. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tips that I provided and increasing your online presence, getting more traffic to your website, and increasing business and revenue for yourself. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you'd like to have a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call back at 916-378-9773. I would love to hear from you and get some feedback on my video. Again, thank you so much for taking your time out, and you have a good day.